Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing an interesting topic which will help you gain insight about yourself and other people around you. Well, did you know that your handwriting can say a lot about you? It's not just the words you write on the paper, but it's the way how you write them. Or rather, I would say it's the way how you show yourself to the world. This is known as handwriting analysis or graphology, which studies the relationship between handwriting and personality of a person. It helps to reveal some important factors of your character, emotions, creativity, social adjustment, desires, fears, strength, weakness, and a lot more. So, let's get started and learn something new. Before we proceed, write down this following sentence on a piece of paper to get a clear picture of your personality. Now, let's see what your handwriting tells about you. The first is the size of your handwriting. There are many people who have small handwriting. They have good concentration skills and they can pay attention for longer periods of time. These people have a need to be extremely focused on small details and are very shy and reserved. People who have big handwriting like to be the center of attention in social gatherings. They do not worry about small things and are very quick to leave behind unpleasant experiences and get on with life. They are carefree and very friendly people. People who have medium handwriting are very balanced, adaptable, and well organized. They always analyze the situation before they take any action. The second is spacing between the words. Spacing between words shows how much distance you want to keep from the people around you. If the spacing between the words in the handwriting is wide, it clearly shows that the person loves freedom and prefers privacy. They also have trust issues with people around them and therefore have a need to keep some distance with others. In the handwriting, if there is narrow spacing, it represents insecurity, and these people do not like to be alone and have a constant need to be in contact with people around them, which makes them feel good about themselves. The third is slants in handwriting, which means the direction of the handwriting. The right side slant in handwriting, it indicates that the person wants to reach out to others at an emotional level and very much likes to socialize with other people. If your direction of the handwriting is towards the left, that is the left slant, it indicates that the person prefers working alone or behind the scenes. He does not like much of socialization. If your handwriting does not have any slants or directions and it looks straight, it means the person is very practical and logical and can take wise decisions in life. The fourth is legible handwriting, which means this type of handwriting is very clearly visible and people can read it effortlessly. Such people tend to be calm and confident in life, whereas handwriting which is not clear and very hard to read It represents secretive person who does not like to share his emotions and thoughts with other person. The last one is the pressure of your pen or pencil while writing. People who place heavy pressure while writing, which can cause dark and thicker handwriting. These people are very good with commitment and taking things seriously in life, but they do not respond well to criticism. On the other hand, light-handed writers whose pressure is not that dark tend to be empathetic and sensitive people. The same goes with signatures. Every person has a unique and different signature. When we look at a signature, the first thing that strikes is its structure. If it's clearly visible and people can read it, then it means the person is straightforward, sincere and honest. But if the signature looks messy and people find hard to read it, it clearly indicates that the person is not very confident and may have a lot of secrets and is not comfortable sharing it with others. Also, if someone's signature has an upward angle, it shows that the person is ambitious, hardworking, and has a strong desire to be successful in life. These were some techniques to take a closer look at someone's personality and mindset. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, share this video with everyone and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.